guys, so I'm here in Vietnam, Hanoi, exploring the city. So I'm near the lake, the famous lake where you actually have lots of shopping areas out here. So you just have to walk, and like you see, there are lots of things to do, shop around. I'm also doing lots of local sightseeing, so you'll get to know what exactly I'm planning to do. So stay tuned for all the updates. Thank you, bye bye. Guys, so here in Hanoi, walking towards the market. So this is how a typical life in Hanoi looks like. Just walk by all the shops out here. You could do lots of window shopping. Things quite cheap. Actually, the conversion rate of India with Vietnamese dong, that is their currency out here, it's quite less, like 1 rupee is equal to 400 dong. So and these are the kind of things you can shop. Hey guys, so now we are from Hanoi. I'm at the pier, and from the pier heading to the cruise, which we are going to stay for overnight, for a night and 2 days. So this is how it's looking.
Okay everyone, so now we are in the pearl farm and we're going to spend here about 40 minutes. We're going to see the museum, we're going to see how they implanting the pearl, and eventually we're going to see the workshops. They're showing you all the products that they have, and here no outsider allowed to represent. So she work here, she will bring you around to see all the process and everything here, okay? And this one.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.